My name is Matthew Ferner, and I graduated from Clemson University.
I'm Hunter Mack, and I went to Texas A&M University.
I'm Ryan Dempsey, just graduated from Appalachian State University. I found out about Atlas Copco through a friend of mine, Andrew Bruce, a former graduate of the I.M.P.A.C.T program.
I chose Atlas Copco because they are the industry leaders in compressors, as well as innovation and most importantly, sustainability.
I am really looking forward to gaining hands-on experience with technicians out in the field to gain valuable knowledge about the products that I will be selling.
If you're thinking about joining the I.M.P.A.C.T program, some advice I'd give to you is to figure out what your strengths are and how they can help you throughout your career, and also to be open-minded and be willing to go with every different opportunity that Atlas Copco will give to you.
This program's right for you if you really enjoy being hands-on and challenged every day in what you do. But on top of all of that, it's really the people at Atlas Copco that make this an easy decision to join.
If you're looking for a company that truly values its employees and gives you every opportunity to succeed, then Atlas Copco and the I.M.P.A.C.T program is the choice for you.